Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, summer heat and explosion of ragweed and grass pollen over the next few days. The ragweed very high and grass pollen high as well, pretty much through this warm spell. Tomorrow, right in through Thursday. Tonight, it's mild. We'll be running in the 60s, mid to upper 60s for lows, with dew points in the mid to upper 60s, so kind of a muggy feel. And tomorrow's going to be a humid day. The heat index will peak in the mid-90s. Sunshine, a few clouds, but at least we'll have a nice breeze. But the high temperature up around 90 degrees, about 10 degrees above normal. Upper 80s to low 90s will do it for everyone, including a 91 at Remington, a 91 at Oxford and Fowler. Now on Wednesday, a few clouds initially, and then partly cloudy with a few spotty storms possible. The heat index peaking in the mid to upper 90s late in the afternoon with the southwest wind, and once again, a high up around 90, and everybody's going to be in the upper 80s to low 90s viewing area wide. Here's 18 Precision Cast. Again, mostly clear tonight. A few clouds tomorrow. Wednesday, we turn partly cloudy. It wouldn't surprise me if we have a few spotty storms that pop in the mid to late afternoon hours. And given some of the pretty strong wind fields through the atmosphere, can't rule out an isolated severe storm. There may be a small isolated storm or two on Thursday as well, and it's still going to be hot. And then we watch a line of severe storms to our northwest that forms. This is going to move southeastward. Should be in western Illinois late Thursday night, very early Friday morning. Now, there are signs as it moves eastward it may weaken. Depending on the timing, will determine how much of a severe weather risk we have here. If it comes through in the morning, much less severe risk, and it should be weakening. If it would happen to weaken in Illinois, then reform over our area, then the severe risk would tend to go up a little bit Friday afternoon and into the evening. A little cooler later Friday and into Saturday, but here's the front right here. Notice what happens. It comes back north as a warm front, so a few storms on Sunday, and it will heat up once again. So the overall trend, hotter than normal and a little bit wetter than normal here in mid-September, and also the risk of some severe weather ahead. I think maybe an isolated severe storm Wednesday. We get into any isolated storm Thursday, given the wind fields. Isolated severe cannot be ruled out. And then getting into the weekend, looks like any severe weather risk, albeit isolated, would tend to be on Friday or Friday morning. And then we may see this gray area. Once again, some isolated severe weather risk get in here by Sunday. So it's pretty summer-like. Notice the 7-day outlook. That looks like July, 90 on Wednesday, a low of only 71, 90 Thursday. It gets a little bit cooler later Friday and into Saturday. Then on Sunday, we heat back up again, and we'll be up around 90 once again on Monday. Normal highs about 79 or 80. I think we're going to see a pretty substantial cool down, though, getting into late September. We'll talk more at 6.
Enjoy these 90s while we have.
Summer's not done with us yet.
Chad, thank you. Indiana's attorney.